There's a prevalent myth that ostriches bury their heads in the sand when faced with a dangerous situation. Though this behavior has proven to be wrong, metaphorically it might be true for us humans. The ostrich effect is a cognitive bias that causes people to avoid information that they perceive as potentially unpleasant, even if knowing that information can help them improve an aspect of their life. A common example is that people who are worried that they have fallen off track don't want to know how they're doing. This means, for example, that if someone's goal is to lose weight, the ostrich effect can lead them to avoid weighing themselves or to avoid tracking the food that they eat. You can see this also in finances, relationships, family, or any area of life in which we are emotionally invested. The most common way to avoid is to physically avoid it in the first place, but other methods include not paying sufficient attention to when it is available, interpreting it in a biased manner, and forgetting it altogether even after it has been processed. So how does one even become aware that they are influenced by the ostrich effect? Firstly, notice if there is a worry or fear around an action that you need to take. Before making an important decision, you should ask yourself the following. Is there additional information that I can get that will help me make a more informed decision? And if so, am I pursuing this information or am I avoiding it? If you find yourself avoiding, there are several things you can do to reduce the ostrich effect. The simplest solution is to actively push yourself to obtain this information. While this is the most straightforward method, it isn't always effective, because in some cases you might struggle to convince yourself to engage with information that you prefer to avoid. You can also create psychological distance from the problematic information. For example, you can pretend that you're looking up the information so that you can help a friend, rather than to address your own issue. You can also have a person who cares for you and who can hold you accountable to make sure that you deal with the information that you need to deal with. A third possibility is working with a trained coach. The Fabulous Coaching team offers one-on-one sessions that will help uncover your biases so that you can live a better informed and fulfilling life. To get more information, tap on the button below this video. We would love to hear your thoughts and insights, so make sure to comment on the post. See you soon.